met a bunch of the groom's friends, and one of the friends were our neighbor 6 years ago.
Ira.
Oh, it was very coincidental. And I remember him because he was going to go to Korea to teach, and we were having conversation. His brother is teaching English in Japan. Is that right? So,
yeah, or something.
So he met this guy, and this guy is mentioning, oh, I have a friend who are living very close where
you are just so
he mentioned our neighbor's name, but they're really close friends to us. Wow! The world is so small. You should make cooperation. After getting to pay back all the loans.
Well, my friend who I met in Korea, who married a Korean man, they lived just on the block.
Yeah, I know. What happened to them?
They moved, she went back to grad school and they moved to the East Coast. But they had...
That pretty good, Ira?
No.
Wow. Yeah. Double scoop.
All these Korean professors, they got arrested because they forged these college degrees. I graduated from Yale.
You can have yours too.
It was all fake, but the work
they're pretty good.
Korea,
Yeah, it's like I mean, not good. Can you go?
But you could never confirm, never check anything.
Pretty close. Yeah, I'm doing video right now.
And now you are. One professor.
Do you have like a time limit of how long?
And then
it's like that's enough. You got
ours are 15 seconds on.
Oh no, it will go like 5. I've done 5 minutes.
Are you all done, Jonah?
He wants the ice cream out.
Oh, Jonah, you bite around, okay? Bite the cone.
Oh yeah, you should do that more.
All you need is a 4-year-old.
Bite the cone.
So obviously there are a lot of high school graduates coming to teach, and they're saying having fake degrees. Oh my God! So that's like the biggest headline in Korea right now.
Then you bite the cone some more, and then you can get the ice cream.
Who's getting arrested?
People with fake, like, making fake bread.
Okay, you bite the cone. I mean, okay, like, give mommy to the cone. Yes, you eat the cone, and then you eat the ice cream.
When I went back to Korea to teach for a year, and I knew this guy, he was teaching at my university, the university I graduated from. He was teaching English in that